In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers and dear nature lovers. Very warm welcome to you in Ashraf Botanical Garden. Viewers, it is the morning time and I am recording this thunderstorm for my viewers. Here you can see the lightning and thunder. There is a constant rumbling of clouds. You can see that the clouds are very dark and looking very dangerous, and I just wanted to capture the lightning for you. Here you can see that there is constant rumbling. The lightning is being done in the distant area, and I also, viewers, you can see that there are two cats sitting on top of the roof. You can see that clouds are looking very dangerous. Where the dawn is breaking. The cats are also feeling this. They are mewing. They are making the atmosphere more dangerous. Yes, these cats are crying. Rather, they are two she cats. So here, this is the nature. Nature is very fantastic. Sometimes it becomes very awful, very dreadful, and you can see that the lightning, thunder, and the mewing of the, rather crying of the cats. Viewers, you can see that street lightning, the sheet lightning, and it is not raining here, but the clouds, the lightning is being done in the distant area. You can constantly hear the rumbling and thunder of the clouds. I just want to catch the glimpse of the streak lightning. So we have seen the nature, which is right now looking very fearful. Dark clouds lurking on the horizon, and the raining has started now. The clouds, yes, yes, I'm sure you have enjoyed this video of nature. This is the sheet lightning. The rain is also started. It is raining. Cats and dogs. Cats are crying. Clouds are thundering. Lightning is being done. So viewers, share this knowledge of nature with nature lovers. Allah Almighty keep you happy and healthy.